Have you ever tried to meditate and thought, why does my mind feel even louder? Or why can everyone else do this except me? Or maybe you quietly wondered if something was wrong with you. Let me say this gently. You're not broken, you're not bad at meditation, and you're definitely not alone. Believe me, I have gone through this same thing and am still going through it nowadays. Everyone has their moments and bad days. But the thing is to keep at it, keep trying. Don't be too hard on yourself. You can do this. You just haven't been shown how to work with your mind instead of fighting it. And that's what we're going to explore together. Before we go any further, take a moment to get comfortable. You don't need perfect posture. You don't need silence. You don't need to feel calm. Just take a slow breath in through your nose and let it fall out through your mouth. And maybe quietly to yourself say, I'm allowed to be here exactly as I am. Nothing needs to change right now. A lot of people stop meditating because they think they're failing. Their thoughts keep racing, their body feels restless, they feel irritated instead of peaceful. But here's the truth. A busy mind doesn't mean meditation isn't working. It actually means meditation has started. Meditation doesn't create thoughts. It reveals what was already there. And when we judge that experience, when we tell ourselves this should be different, we create tension. Less effort, more permission. You are not supposed to empty your mind. That idea alone causes so much frustration. Thoughts will show up. Let them. See them like notifications popping up on a screen. Every time you notice you've wandered and gently come back, that moment is meditation. Not the silence, not the stillness, the returning. If focusing on your breath feels hard or stressful, that's okay. You're allowed to choose something gentler. You might let sounds come to you without labeling them. Or notice where your body is supported. The chair beneath you, the floor under your feet. You don't have to force attention. Just let it rest. Meditation isn't intense concentration. It's not about gripping your attention tightly. Let your awareness be soft, curious, kind. Meditation isn't about control. It's about building a different relationship with your inner world. If your mind feels overwhelmed, try something simple. Ask yourself, what's one small thing that doesn't feel terrible right now? It could be the warmth of your hands, a breath that feels okay, the fact that you showed up. Gratitude doesn't have to be big or emotional. Quiet is enough. Meditation begins to work when it becomes a place where nothing needs to be fixed. Every time you sit down, even distracted, even restless, that counts. That is practice. That is progress. If this felt relieving or familiar, I invite you to keep going. Try one small moment of meditation today, not to calm your mind, but to meet it with kindness. And if you'd like more gentle guidance like this, support, or simple ways to make meditation feel human again, stay connected. Like and subscribe to hear more content like this. You don't have to do this perfectly. You just have to show up.